everyone, and welcome to Craft Corner. Today again I have with me Jane O'Brien from the Recreation Department. Jane, welcome.
Thank you for allowing me to come back again.
Absolutely. And today Jane has a special surprise for us. Not only is it Craft Corner, but it's going to be Cooking Corner. So yay, something different. We're in our summer themed set today, doing some summer crafts and recipes. So Jane, let us know, what are we going to start with?
Well, first off, we're going to start with pancakes.
Pancakes, okay. Everybody likes pancakes. That sounds good.
So we're going to take, each of us are going to have 2 pancakes.
Okay.
We have strawberries and we have whipped cream.
What
so
perfect
obviously
summer things.
This can be a dessert or breakfast.
Yum.
Either way.
I bet the kids will love it for breakfast.
So basically, take your pancake upside down.
Okay.
You can use Cool Whip or whipped topping. We're going to use whipped topping here.
Okay.
Put it on one.
As much as you want, or as little as you want.
You can add your strawberries.
Ooh. Add some strawberries.
Add some strawberries. Put your top back on.
Okay. Whoops.
I did a little squirt on top, and I added 1 strawberry on the top. But you can, here again, you can create your own.
And look at that. What a simple, easy recipe. The kids can help you with that, make their own.
Absolutely.
And there we go, strawberry pancakes.
Yep.
Perfect. That's an easy recipe. And moving on, what is our next one that we're going to do?
Our next one is going to be what's called raspberry fluff.
Raspberry fluff. That sounds yummy. I love raspberries.
And you're going to put it together.
Okay.
So basically, it's 4 ingredients.
Vanilla yogurt,
Vanilla yogurt,
raspberries,
obviously. Jell-O, we're using the cheesecake
flavored pudding,
and Cool Whip.
and Cool Whip. That sounds pretty easy.
So basically, you put the yogurt,
The whole thing,
whole
container of yogurt in our mixing bowl.
and then we're gonna add
We're gonna add our pudding,
your pudding,
the whole package.
whole package,
Whole package.
and mix that together.
Okay. You don't
I
make
brought
the
a wire
pudding, you
whisk.
just use the dry ingredients.
Right.
Dry pudding, okay. And just pour that in. And then mix it up.
Mix that up. Try to get out the lumps.
And the table's a little wobbly here, so don't mind that. This is our mock kitchen set. So at home, you won't have these same challenges we have, but we have to pretend this is our kitchen today.
So that's right.
Okay.
But once your lumps
so
are out, you can gently fold in
Get
your
my workout in
raspberries.
here.
You get your workout on
Excellent.
one hand. Kind of thickens up and everything.
Yeah, doesn't that look yummy? Now raspberries.
And you're going to gently fold them in. Use
whole
your
bag?
spatula. The whole bag.
The whole bag, okay. Look at those. So you let them thaw a little bit.
You let them thaw. That and the Cool Whip, because if the Cool Whip's frozen.
Yeah, it won't mix very easily. Just gently, because we don't want mush.
That's right. And then you're going to
Okay.
add the whole container of Cool Whip.
The whole container of Cool Whip, okay. Can I trade with you? Sure. Again, this is something that the kids could help you with. Very easy and kid-friendly. This one, there's no chopping or anything.
Nope.
Just mixing, which is nice. We just fold this all in together. Doesn't that look delicious?
And you can
And
eat
refreshing.
it. You can eat it right away, or
Okay.
you can put it in the fridge It lasts for a day or two,
Oh, okay.
but when my grandkids did it,
Yes.
it did not even last the full day. It was all gone.
It was all
So
done.
obviously they gave it at the A-OK.
Oh, so it already got the approval.
Right. Well, I think between the Cool Whip and the pudding, that's what makes it special.
Yeah, they couldn't pass it up. Huh?
Nope.
Okay.
So if you want to
So we're gonna
try
try
it,
to
you can
stir
try
a
it.
little here.
I've had it.
You're not gonna try it?
I've already had it.
Oh, okay. I get to try this. Yummy, yummy
Can
raspberry fluff.
Raspberry
Yum.
fluff.
Mm.
Isn't
I
it?
give it the A-OK too, Miss Jane.
I-
So much I have to have another bite.
With the vanilla yogurt and the raspberries, I just think it kind of
It's
basic.
so refreshing.
And
This
you
is
probably
a
could-
hot day, the weather we've been having, this
could-
would be perfect.
You could probably change it out and use blueberries or strawberries, anything that was,
And
you
I
could
bet
use
you
fresh.
could even freeze it maybe and make like
and make
little
like an
pops.
ice cream. Yep. Like
Yum.
yogurt pops.
Look at that. Doesn't that
Absolutely.
look delicious? Well, those were great recipes. Thank you. What a nice start to our cooking segment of Craft Corner. Thank you. We'll put that right there. I'll save this for later because that's too yummy to give up. And we're going to move on to our craft segment. So we're just going to take a minute and clean up here and get ready for crafts. So we'll be right back. Don't go away. Everyone, welcome back to Craft Corner, our summer edition. I'm here again with Miss Jane O'Brien from the Parks and Recreation Department, and now we are going to do our summer craft. So what are we doing, Jane?
Well, today, because we're thinking of summer, we're going with lemonade and lemons.
Awesome.
So
Okay.
the first one would be this octagon type of thing, and we're just gonna Mod Podge.
A nice little
A
summer
nice little
sign.
summer saying. You can.
Look at, we have different
we
ones.
have all different
Squeeze
kinds.
the day, easy peasy, lemon squeezy, or cold lemonade. Sounds great.
So basically, take your whatever you're putting inside, and use your nail, especially if you get the octagon. Obviously, from my sample, I happen to have that. But when I
Okay.
went to craft store, I found these, and I thought something
Why
different.
not? Something different.
So
I'm gonna do.
you're going to measure whatever one you're going to do. You can
Okay.
probably use the scissors too.
And we're gonna.
And put a little bit of Mod Podge.
So we need to crease the edges so that we can cut it out.
Correct. And then just get all your
Give it a little
corners.
trim.
Let the Mod Podge dry just a little while you're trimming. I already trimmed mine.
Oh, let me.
Well, yeah.
Should I put a little on and
Yeah.
let it get ready for me? Get all ready. So, what is happening in the recreation department this summer, Jane?
Well, we've got the pool. We've got, there
And-
are a lot of trails that we have open.
So the pool, is that just for residents or can non-residents use that?
Non-residents.
Or residents bring guests with them?
Residents can bring guests with them. Yes, it's for non-residents or residents. You can get a pool pass. For a family, it's $150 for Bedford residents. And if you want to just do a day pass, it's $5 a person or $25 for a family.
Okay.
And we're open from 12 to 6:30.
And
then
they
from-
get those on your website?
You can download the form on the website, or you can go to the pool itself and fill out a form there.
Oh,
And then they send
easy
it over
is
to
that?
me, I do the passes, and then mail them out to you.
okay.
So it's quick and easy.
And your website is?
BedfordRecOnline.com.
Okay, that's where you always want to remember, BedfordRecOnline.com. That is where all of Miss Jane's programs are, activities, lists of different resources in town,
Yeah.
like the trails you were saying.
Trails, we've got trails at Benedictine, we've got trails at Earl Legacy Park, we've got the Van Loan, we've got Mueller Park, we've got Pulpit Rock.
Wow.
So there's a lot of different,
A lot of
and they're all
places.
listed And if you want a copy of the maps, we have maps of all the trails. They're located at the town offices, which is 24 North Amherst Road.
Okay.
You can pick them up there or email me at jobrian@bedfordnh.org and I can send them off to you.
How easy is that? So you may not know it, but all of these resources are right in your backyard, and take advantage of them. There are a lot of nice places to visit.
And bottom line, that was a quick and easy.
Quick and easy. Mine's not quite as good as
Well,
Miss
yours just has to
Jane's.
dry a little. The other thing is like on this one, I used a yellow marker and did every other one yellow,
Oh, cute.
but I forgot to bring the marker over.
That's okay. You could paint this too if you wanted
You
to.
could.
You can be creative, and again, that's what we always say. Crafting is using your own imagination. Nothing's set in stone.
That's right.
So there we go. So
So that's craft number one.
craft number one, and next we
Craft
have.
number two, I found these little trays at Dollar Tree.
Yeah.
I just thought that they were so cute. And when I saw these downloads for the lemons, I thought, wouldn't that be nice?
Cute
So-
way to use up the tray. I've seen these, and I've always wondered what could I do with those. And look at what Miss Jane came up with.
Yeah. So basically, paint your tray. What I tried to do was get ahead of it so
Okay.
that Coleen and I weren't trying to let paint dry and watch it dry on
So-
camera. So I did the top on one and the bottom on the other.
Okay.
So we'll do
we're
the
gonna-
opposite.
We're gonna share that.
We're going to share. Yep. Go ahead. You can work on
You
yours.
want me to use this
You're going to use
brush?
the. No, because you're going to have to Mod Podge this on.
Oh, okay.
So
Oh, yours is already set on
Mine-
the top, so
mine
we'll
is all
pretend the
set on the
bottom
top.
is done.
yeah, I
We
can do my
pretend
bottom
you're-
another time.
You've already painted. Okay, so you
So-
paint, let the paint dry.
And it dries very quickly.
Oh, okay, that
I
was
just
going to be
used
my
the
question.
yellow. I think I got that from Dollar Tree.
Just acrylic
Just
paint.
acrylic paint. But you could
Okay.
use anything. You could use watercolor if you wanted. And then we're going to put Mod
Or you
Podge.
could leave it natural if people wanted to.
Oh, if you
natural
wanted
look.
to leave it, absolutely, because the natural is pretty,
Yeah,
even on its own.
right. Again, it's whatever your preference is.
And really, you could put anything inside. I just went along with the lemon
Right, if you want to
theme
do
for the summer.
strawberry or blueberry.
Absolutely.
Or think about other seasons.
And I measured this and cut it to the size of the inside.
Made it easy for us.
So
I'm just doing a quick job here, painting it all. And Miss Jane's showing you how the center goes in, and look at that.
that's it. So here you go, another quick one. I
Quick
mean,
and easy.
you could put your lemons, like Colleen's got lemons over there.
My,
You could put a lemon in it.
yeah, you could use it for all
You could
kinds
use
of
it for all
things.
kinds of
You
trays.
could keep your pool passes in it for when you're ready to go to the pool. You'll always know where they are.
Absolutely, that would work.
That is awesome. So look at these, great. As it says, easy peasy. Thank you, Miss Jane. These have been some great crafts, and our cooking segment, that was yummy. And so we hope that you enjoyed it. And if you're watching this in another location, because we are sharing it to other locations and people are airing it, thank you for doing
Good.
that. Check out your own recreation department, because I bet there's a lot of activities going on right in your own community. Again, bedfordreconline.com for all of Miss Jane's programs and activities. And I want to thank you. Thank you, Miss Jane.
Thanks for having me.
Happy summer.